Hi, today we are going to make Hainanese chicken rice. The soul lies in using chicken soup instead of water to cook rice. Does that sound familiar? This is the stove for risotto. Let's prepare the ginger slices directly. 2 servings of rice, 2 minced garlic, half chives chopped, except for citronella and scallions, and the chicken that was cut from the chicken. Chicken skin provides a strong flavor. Boneless chicken thighs in a pot with cold water. Skim the foam. Add ginger and scallion. Simmer over minimum heat for 12分钟 use. Then take the chicken out and set it aside. Chicken broth seasoned with salt and chicken juice or powder. The taste of the soup needs to be a little salty. Then prepare the frying pan. A little cooking oil. Stir out all the grease of the chicken fat. Add the onion and minced garlic. Then citronella rice. You don't have to soak, just need cleaning. Drain. The frying process allows you to absorb the aroma of chicken oil spices. Chicken rice like chicken soup must be delicious. The amount of water is a little less than normal for cooking. Execute the cooking routine. Cooking time. Let's prepare the dip. Squeeze out the watered ginger, chop scallion. Baked chicken powder with salt, sugar and peanut oil. You're right. It's the one dipped in white cut chicken. Commercial Hainanese chicken rice also uses lemon leaves and ginger. Pandan leaf citronella. It is the easiest spice I can buy in Chongqing. Very cost-effective. There is a taste of lemongrass in Southeast Asia. Finally, there will be hens.